Hey ho! I'm finishing my Friday, and this is the summary or update. So let's see. So I cleaned up the whole thing. So currently in the source repo under node modules, because they will become independent modules. So until now, I just have them here in a special node modules folder. I have all the state machines that we will use. So each of them is independent. So the only one that is working a bit differently is a datdot service state machine, which is like a parent state machine that will manage others. So for any other, it doesn't require anything else. It's just a standalone machine, which can be copied in this state visualizer. So for every machine, it's possible to see exactly what is, how it works, like what are the states. So that's the first thing. And then so I removed all the folders and all these things. So everything is now in just like one thing. And then I also cleaned up this file a little bit. And so the logic works still the same. We're still just like listening to one particular event, hosting setup, and making the state machine, or like triggering the state machines, or like processes for this, for a tester role or encoder role or for hoster role in this hosting setup. And then I am resolving all of the first attester state machine. So it finishes completely. And then for the second one, I'm just basically resolving the first state and then rejecting the second one, just like for the sake of the trying testing. And here we now have only one state, so hosting setup, no matter for which role it is. And then we are passing through the event, the data about the ID of the user that is triggering this, that is entering this state machine, and its role. So it can be, like I said, a tester, encoder, hoster. So it's just like, we don't have to now make hosting setup for a tester, hosting setup for encoder, hosting setup for for host. Which one was it? The third one. But we can just use one, and it will kind of, based on the event data, trigger the right machine. And then we have the same for resolve and reject. And now I'm basically just commented out all the other events that we will listen to and spawn accordingly the state machines. And yeah, that's it. It's kind of nice and clean now. So now I can continue. And Alex is also working on this communications module, which is basically done, but now how to play together with these state machines, so that we will not manually call all these things, but this will basically, this is now hard coded. So the data will come from other modules depending on what actions were made. And then we will be able to resolve or reject based on the feedback. So yeah, that's it. Tomorrow is Saturday, but maybe I'll continue working. I have this awesome music. It's like a, 10 hours of feeling like you're in the coffee shop, but it helps with work, I think. So see you soon again.